Hello everyone, I will show you how to set Shopee discount promotions on BigSeller in this video. With this feature on BigSeller, you don't need to log in your Shopee Seller Center and set Shopee discount promotion. You can set it on BigSeller directly. It is very convenient to set the promotions in one BigSeller account for multiple Shopee stores. Next, I will show you how to do it on BigSeller. You can go to BigSeller Products, Discount Promotions. All the promotions will be shown here. You can filter stores to check the promotions in one store. Here you can see there are some status. The first status is ongoing. It means this promotion is underway. You can click here to sign it, check details, edit, or end this promotion. Next status is upcoming. It means this promotion has not started yet. You can click here to sign it, check details, edit, or delete this promotion. The last one is expired. It means this promotion has finished. You can only sign it and check details. The status will not be signed from your seller center to BigSeller automatically, so you need to click Sign It button. You can click Sign button to sign it one by one, or you can select some promotions and click here to sign it in bulk. Also, you can click Sign All to sign all promotions from your seller center to BigSeller. Next, I will show you how to create a new promotion on BigSeller. You can click here to create a new promotion. Here you need to fill in the all required basic information. You need to select a store. Enter the promotion time. The time zone is selected automatically according to your store site. Then you need to select the start time and the end time. Please note that the promotion period must be more than 1 hour and less than 180 days. Next, you can add products you want. Here you can select products. Then click Confirm. If there are many variations in one product, you can click here to disable or enable the promotions. Here it will show the original price. You can set the discount percentage here. After you set it, the discounted price will be calculated automatically. Or you can set the discount price. Then the discount percentage off will be calculated automatically. Next is the purchase limit. It means the limit your customer can purchase. And the default is 0, but 0 means no limit. If you want to set a limit, you can enter the limit number, for example 2. Also here you can select some products and click Bulk Edit to bulk edit the discount and the purchase limit. Then click Confirm. You can see the discount and the purchase limit has been bulk added. Also, you can click Bulk Edit All Products. It will be applied to all the products you selected here. After settings, then click Publish. Publish successfully, then you can close this page. Here you can see this new promotions has been created successfully and the status is upcoming. Okay guys, it is all about how to create Shopee promotions on BigSeller. Please contact us if you have any other questions.